Here it is, right here. Chicken and Ube Waffles. This is a little bit of honey. Oh God. No, syrup. Look at this. Just a little bit right here. Just a little bit. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Okay. I got some of that ube waffle right there in the syrup.
Was that delicious?
Holy man. Hold on. Look at this heavy hitter right there. Chicken, ube waffle, and syrup. God, I love food. Errol, you know, this guy's next level. This guy is next level, man. Holy. Okay, next.